Welcome students. In this session we learn about the question answers of chapter number 20, that is the media, the mainstay of democracy. Let's start the session. Our question number first A, which is of multi-choice questions, and question number first is paper was invented by. We have the options of India, Japanese, Chinese and Greeks, and its correct answer is C, that is Chinese. Question number second, the right to information has promoted. Your options were corruption, accountability, dependence and indiscipline, and its correct answer is B, that is accountability. Now we move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is information provided by media should not be. जो हमें मीडिया इंफॉर्मेशन देता है वो कैसी नहीं होनी चाहिए, should not be. Your options are impartial, balanced, biased and factual. Then its correct answer is C, biased. Question number 4. Who among the following is not involved in the process of telecasting the news? जब न्यूज़ की टेलीकास्ट होता है तो इसमें कौन इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता? ऑप्शंस आर एडिटर, कैमरामैन, प्रोड्यूसर एंड टेक्नीशियन, एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज प्रोड्यूसर, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच कंट्री डिड Johannes Gutenberg belongs to? Options are Germany, France, USA and Great Britain, and correct answer is Germany. Now we move on to question number 2, which is fill in the blanks. Question number first, media has brought dash to a level where technology is media, and its correct answer is media. Media has brought, correct answer is technology. Media has brought technology to a level where technology is media. Second, Chinese influenced the development of dash by inventing paper. Chinese ने पेपर इन्वेंट करा था तो उससे किस चीज का डेवलपमेंट हुआ, and its correct answer is printing. Question number 3. Television affects public perception and dash. टेलीविज़न क्या अफेक्ट करता है? Perception and opinion. Question number 4. Media should not dash a class or person or an organization. तो मीडिया को क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? फेवर नहीं करना चाहिए. Media should not favor a class, person or an organization. Question number 5. The right to information has promoted dash and accountability, and its correct answer is transparency. The right to information has promoted transparency and accountability. Now we move on to question number C, that is true or false based questions. Question number first, media influence our beliefs and attitude, and it is correct, that is true. Second, RTI means right to information, was passed due to the demands of various organizations and movements. It is also true. Third, media is like a watchdog in a democracy. It is also true. Fourth, freedom of speech and expression has no limitation. It is false. Fifth, a very big share of Indian media is owned by political parties. It is also false. So, first, second and third are true, and fourth and fifth are false. Now we move on to short question answers. Question number first, define media. Please listen carefully. The answer is media refers to various means of communication that helps in communicating to a large number of people at the same time. Media refers to various means of communication that helps in communicating to a large number of people at the same time. Question number second. Why is media called a watchdog of democracy? And its answer, media is called watchdog of democracy because it keeps the government active and the public involved. I repeat, media is called watchdog of democracy because it keeps the government active and public involved. Question number third. In what ways does the cinema affect our views? And its answer is Indian cinema played an important role in creating awareness about social evils, political malpractices, economic exploitation, and the fast changing Indian society and its value system. I repeat, Indian cinema played an important role in creating awareness about social evils, political malpractices, economic exploitation, and the fast changing Indian society and its value system. Question number 4. What are the different means of print and electronic media? And answer is different means of print and electronic media are newspaper, magazines, radio, television, and cinema. I repeat, different means of print and electronic media are newspapers, magazine, radio, television, and cinema. Now question number 5. What other basic rights are linked with the right to information? And its answer is basic rights linked with the Right to Information Act are freedom of speech and expression and right to education. I repeat, basic rights linked with the Right to Information Act are freedom of speech and expression and right to education. Okay.